When I am down and all my soul so weary, when troubles come and my heart burdens me, then I am still and wait here in the silence until you come and sit a while with me. You raise me up so I can stand on mountains. You raise me up to walk on stormy seas. I am strong when I am on your shoulders. You raised me up to more than I can be. There is no life without this hunger. Each restless heart beats and perfectly. But when you come and I'm filled with wonder, sometimes I think I've glimpsed eternity. Here